Located within 1.6 miles of Cancun bus station in Cancun, Dreams Vista Cancun, all-inclusive offers a private beach area and an outdoor swimming pool. Boasting a 24-hour front desk. This property also welcomes guests with a restaurant and a children's playground. The property features fitness center and free Wi-Fi. The units at the hotel come with a seating area and a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. All rooms include a private bathroom, while some rooms also offer a terrace. All rooms feature a wardrobe. A continental, buffet or American breakfast is available every morning at the property. Dreams Vista Cancun, all-inclusive, offers a business center for guest use. Cancun Government Palace is 1.6 miles from the accommodations. Cancun International Airport is 11 miles from the property. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.